by you having a plan and preparing to be successful and being a paid member of my Juxtaposition 1 channel, you should be prepared for what's coming. And this channel will help you emotionally prepare as well as technically prepared and understand the language and lingo and the lexicon of terms that NATO military forces does use with respect to human augmentation, which they call gene editing. They call it gene editing. They call it CRISPR DNA enhancements. They call it central bank digital currency. They call it cryptocurrency. They call it neuromodulation. They call it molecular engineering. Those are some of the words that mean tethering humans to the cloud 24/7 and having a HAL-9000 manage you, micromanage your life and how much energy you use, your internet access, your banking, security clearances, your activities of daily living, your travel, your geofencing. All right? That's all coming, and most of it's already arrived. You need to be intentional about your life, okay? Because your intentions will become your reality. So if you intend to take vacations, smoke weed, snort coke, drink vodka, chill out, watch another episode of the Beverly Hillbillies, which is perfectly okay with me. So it's a banking tutorial. If you do that, if that's the plan, then you're going to fail. You're not